My name is Jackson Grant. I am here at the Quad City Science Fair. My project on my title is Hovering versus Continuous Flight Quadcopter Battery Life. As my title suggests, my science experiment is about quadcopters. One day after I had flown my quadcopter, and the batteries are charging, I was wondering if I just hovered my quadcopter, which I have here, just in one area like this, would the battery last longer than if I just continuously flew my quadcopter everywhere, up, down, left, right, rotating back and forth. So I chose that for the purpose of my science experiment, which I have listed up there. My next step was to make my hypothesis, but in order to make an accurate hypothesis, I have to know more about some of the features of my science experiment. I chose to research lift and battery life. So I researched those, and I have the references over there on the far right-hand corner of my board. I then wrote 2 paragraphs about lift and battery life. I then conducted my hypothesis, which was if I hover my quadcopter in my basement, the battery will last longer than if I continuously fly my quadcopter in my basement. My next step was I gathered all of my materials, which I have listed over there. The next step, the most fun part of the science experiment, was actually performing the experiment. I followed the procedure I have listed here, exactly, going down. And then after performing the procedure, I recorded all of my information in my data section on my board. I compiled all of my information there. I averaged the times, and it turned out that the times were the same. My hypothesis was wrong, that the hovering would last longer than the continuous flight. An interesting experiment to perform at a later time would be to perform the exact same procedure, but with these propeller guards here detached, making it weigh less, and for the quadcopter to be in expert mode, which is when the propeller guards are at full speed. Thank you.